In this video, I'll show you how to categorize an expense in Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account and open the correct organization. Next, go to the Expenses section in the left sidebar and select Expenses. Now, find the expense you want to categorize and click on it to open the details. If you haven't created the expense yet, click the plus New Expense button and enter the basic information, including the expense account, amount, date, and vendor. To categorize an existing expense, look for the expense account or category field. Click the drop-down menu and choose the category that best matches what you purchased. For example, office supplies can be categorized under an office supplies or office expenses account, while travel costs can be assigned to a travel expense account. If you don't see the category you need, you may need to create a new expense account in your chart of accounts. After selecting the correct category, review the amount and any applicable tax information. You can also add a description, reference number, or receipt attachment if needed. Next, check that the expense is assigned to the correct customer or project if you need to track it for billing or reporting. Once everything looks correct, click Save to record the expense. Finally, you can return to the Expenses page and confirm that the transaction appears with the correct category. Categorizing expenses correctly helps keep your financial records organized and makes your reports more accurate. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to categorize an expense in Zoho Books. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.